Dear students, hello and welcome to the video classes of the subject Programming Language using C. I'm Dr. Chandrakala HD. In this video, I'll be teaching you formatted I/O functions from the chapter Input and Output Operations. C supports two important standard formatted I/O functions, Scanf and Printf, for formatted input and output respectively. So these functions provide us a lot of formatting options in order to input and output our data to the program. Both these functions provide a format specification string and a list of variables which can be used as parameters to format our input and output. The scanf function is the standard input function. It takes a formatted input from standard input device. And the syntax of scanf is the keyword scanf followed by format specifiers, comma, followed by ampersand variable name 1, comma, ampersand variable name 2, so on. So ampersand stands for address operator. There will be a format specifier which indicates the data type of each of these data items. Each data item will have a separate format specifier. For example, scanf %d space %c within double quotes, comma, ampersand num1 and ampersand num2. So ampersand num1's format specifier is %d and ampersand num2's format specifier is %c. So num1 and num2 are variable names which are taken by the user. Ampersand num1 indicates the address where that particular data item has to be stored in the memory. Similarly, ampersand num2 says where num2 has to be stored in the memory, in which location it has to be stored. So we should always include the format specifiers within double quotes and include an ampersand for variable names in scanf. Next we have printf. Printf function is used to output the output data which is formatted as the standard output of the particular program. So the printf also takes format specifiers and a list of variables as parameters. For example, %d, %c, num1, num2 indicates that the two numbers whose data type is indicated by these format specifiers have to be displayed on the standard output, which is the screen of the computer. The format specifiers, which are indicated by a percentage symbol, they convey a significant meaning to the compiler. The conversion character D along with the percentage will indicate the compiler that the data is which comes next is the decimal integer. The conversion character C indicates that the data is character, S indicates a string, and F indicates a floating point value with a precision of at least 6 digits after the decimal point. So the format specification as per the syntax given can contain text as well. So apart from the conversion characters and percentage, you could include some text like number colon, which will be displayed as it is. %d will be replaced by the value of the variable which comes after the comma. And you can always include escape sequences like \n/t in order to improve the readability of the output on the screen. So wherever you require a line space or tab space or carriage written, you can always give it by using the escape sequences in the printf statement. So the escape sequences as well as the text part can be part of the format specification along with the conversion characters. So \n is an escape sequence for line feed or new line. It's equivalent to pressing an enter key for moving the cursor to the next line. \t can be used to give a tab space, at least 8 spaces at a time. An example program to demonstrate usage of printf and scanf is given here. So in this program, I have declared an integer a And I'll use printf statement to simply display a message on the screen, enter a value, and whatever value is entered by the user will be taken, and using scanf I will put that integer value to the address of a. Ampersand a is the address of the memory location which was allotted to a during declaration by the compiler. So since it's an integer, the conversion specifier should be percentage d. So percentage d ampersand a will read the value, integer value given by the user, and put it to the variable a. Next, I'll use a printf statement to display the entered value. This entered value equal to will be displayed as it is, and percentage d will be replaced by the value of a. See, the user has entered 100 as the input, then this a value will be 100. The percentage d will be replaced by 100. Entered value equal to 100 will be the output of this particular program. So that was about the formatted IO functions, printf and scanf. Thank you.